into an oil change. I know I ain't been on here in a while. I got a lot of content coming. My birthday is on Monday, so about to make some content today. Just about to do an oil change, getting ready for Florida. This is the aftermarket body kit right here. So yeah, only thing I did was just touched it up, make it look a little more seamless. Oh yeah, before I forget, yeah, I just did I just went 315s on those. 315s in the back and 305 in the front. Where you at? Yep, 305 in the front. The little necessities that you will need, you know, to get this, you know, taken care of. I go K&N. That's just for performance. And I stick to the book. European 0W30, 40, whatever they say. Gotta have you one of those. And you gotta have something to catch. You smell me.
Definitely need to change that. I mean, not really, but yeah. What's up, man?
I'm gonna put this bitch on as tight as a motherfucker. Man, that been wrong fucking one. All right, y'all, we went to go get the correct size filter. What turns out is the dude gave me the wrong size filter. I should have caught it, but I was just in a rush. So now we is at Zaxby's, about to grab some food. You know how you gotta get a munching, man. We're gonna pick up where we left off when we get back to the crib. We got that motherfucker done, man. About to put that bitch on the ground, call it a wrap.